Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma. I am a second year student of MIT Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and in currently I am working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company. And my today's topic is contingent contract. Uh, to understand firstly the contingent contract, we have to understand what the contingent means. So, the word contingent means when an event or situation is contingent, that is, it depends on some fact or an event. For example, we can say that making money is contingent on finding a good paying job. Now, the contingent contract, what the contingent contract means. Enforceability of that contract directly depends upon the happening or not happening of the event. Section 31 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 defines the contingent contracts as follows. A contingent contract is a contract to do or not to do something if some event collateral to such contract or does happens or does not happens. In simple word, we understand the contingent contract. Contingent contract are the contracts are the one where the promisor perform his obligation only when the certain event, certain condition are met. Certain conditions are met. The contracts of insurance, indemnity, and guarantee are some examples of contingent contracts. And for illustration, we can say that A and B as a human being, or girl or a boy. A contract to pay B rupees 20,000 if if B's house is burnt. This is a contingent. This is a contingent, and and the important thing, the most important thing in this is the essential elements of contingent contract. After examining the definitions of contingent contract from section 31 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, the essentials of the term contingent contract and contingent contracts are as follows. There must be a valid contract to do. First element is there must be a valid contract to do or abstain from doing something. It is defined under section 32 and section 33, these both sections are talks about the enforcement of the contingent contract on happening or not happening of the event respectively. uh, some One illustration of this element is X and Y and Z. They are also a kind of human being, a boy or a girl. X makes a contract with Y to buy Y's dog if X survives Z. This contract cannot be enforced by law unless and until Z dies in X lifetime. And we move ahead on second element of contingent contract, which is performance of the contract must be conditional. Performance of contract must be conditional. And the third element of the contingent contract is the said event must be collateral to such contract. The event on whose happening the happening on whose happening in which the performance of the contract is dependent should not be a part of consideration of the contract. And we see its illustration which is an important thing to see in this element is X and Y is commonly a human being, a boy or a girl. And X enter into a contract with Y and promises to deliver 10 books to him. Y promises to pay rupees 2,000 upon delivery. This is not a contingent contract since Y's obligation depends on the event, which is the part of the contract, and not a collateral event. Not a collateral event. And we move forward on third third element. The event should not be at the discretion of the promisor. The event so considered as the contingency should not at all to be dependent on the promisor. It should be totally a furnished futuristic and uncertain event. And its illustration, we can say that AX promises to pay Y rupees 10,000 of Y when Y leaves Delhi for London. on 31st March 2019. This is a contingent contract. Going to London can be within Y's will, but it's not merely his will. But it's not merely it's his will, and now we conclude our topic. What is described as contingent contract in this topic is familiar to the English law as conditional contract. For a contingent contract, there is a certain event which needs to be fulfilled. The term of these contract are certain and dependent on the occurrence or non-occurrence of a future event. I wish you like my video, and here I end my topic. And please subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.